Hi all, welcome to .NET Application Deployment on Azure Kubernetes Service Cluster on the Azure Cloud, using Azure DevOps. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the deployment of .NET applications onto AKS cluster on the Azure Cloud, using Azure DevOps. The complete process is orchestrated through the Azure DevOps pipeline. The tools, which are used in this .NET application deployment are Azure DevOps Repo, for source code management, repository. Azure DevOps Pipeline, for continuous integration, build. Azure DevOps Release Pipeline, for continuous deployment, release. Azure Kubernetes Service, for Kubernetes container orchestration. Azure Container Registry, for private registry on Docker container images. Microsoft Azure Cloud, for public cloud service platform. Let's explore the workflow of .NET application deployment, stage by stage. In the first stage, the Azure pipeline pulls the .NET application code from Azure DevOps repo, and build it, and store the build package as an artifact. In the next stage, the Azure pipeline creates a Docker image with .NET application code artifacts, tags the image, and pushes it to Azure Container Registry. In the final stage, the Azure pipeline executes the commands, which deploy the pod starts by pulling the latest image from Azure Container Registry into Azure Kubernetes Services. Finally, the .NET application is running on the Azure Kubernetes Service Cluster. Let's see the pipeline in action. First, let us check the Microsoft Azure Console. Here we can see, no application services are running in the AKS cluster. Let us run the pipeline to create the Docker image for the .NET application code, and deploy the pod on the AKS cluster by pulling the latest image from Azure Container Registry. Let us check the Azure Console. Here we can see the .NET application is running on the AKS cluster with the public IP. Click on the public IP, which shows the .NET application web page on the browser. This is the complete workflow of .NET application deployment on Azure Kubernetes Service Cluster on the Azure Cloud, using Azure DevOps. For more information, please browse www.zippyops.com. Please follow us on social media, links are available in the description. Like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happenings on DevOps. Thank you for watching this video.